life ain't worth living the way I've been living it. Pushed all my limits, feels like I've reached the end. No stories to tell, I kinda just wanna be alone. In the quiet of the night, under the moon's soft glow, I think about what's right. Where else I may roam, the stars are my companion, and silence my only friend. I'm always damned if I do, so I won't do a thing. Done wearing my heart on my sleeve. If I need to pretend to be somebody else, then I might as well go home. Yeah, I might as well be alone. In the hustle and bustle, where voices never cease, I long for the stillness where my soul finds its peace. With no one to judge and no one to tell me who to be. I'm always damned if I do, so I won't do a thing. Done wearing my heart on my sleeve. If I need to pretend to be somebody else, then I might as well go home. Yeah, I might as well be alone. I'm always damned if I do, so I won't do a thing. Done wearing my heart on my sleeve. If I need to pretend to be somebody else, then I might as well go home. Yeah, I might as well be alone.